Deep cleaning your house can initially seem overwhelming, but adopting a systematic approach can turn it into a gratifying task. Not only will your living space gleam, but you'll also relish improved air quality and a heightened sense of accomplishment. Here's a detailed guide with additional explanations to assist you in executing an effective deep cleaning session. Preparation is key. Declutter first. Before embarking on the cleaning process, invest time in decluttering each room. Eliminate items you no longer need, facilitating a smoother and faster cleaning operation. Gather your supplies. Ensure you have all the necessary cleaning supplies in your arsenal before commencing. This foresight will save you both time and frustration during the cleaning process. Set a schedule. Avoid attempting to deep clean your entire house in a single day. Break down tasks into manageable segments, spreading them out over several days or even weeks. Start from the top and work your way down. Dusting. Initiate the cleaning process by dusting from the highest points in each room and gradually working your way down. This strategy prevents settled dust from recontaminating clean surfaces. Use a microfiber cloth or duster for furniture, fixtures, and ceiling fans. Windows and mirrors. Enhance natural light and brighten your space by washing windows and mirrors. Employ a glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth to prevent streaks. Walls and baseboards. Utilize a damp cloth to wipe down walls, eliminating dirt and cobwebs. Don't overlook the baseboards, ensuring a thorough cleaning. Deep clean each room. Kitchen. Combat grease and grime in the kitchen by cleaning the oven, stovetop, refrigerator, microwave, and countertops. Include the inside of cabinets and drawers in your cleaning agenda. Bathroom. Scrub toilets, showers, bathtubs, and sinks. Disinfect all surfaces to eradicate germs and bacteria. Bedrooms. Wash bedding, including mattress pads and comforters. Dust furniture and vacuum floors. Living room. Clean upholstered furniture, vacuum carpets and rugs, and dust electronics. Don't forget the details. Vacuum under furniture and appliances. Move furniture and appliances to vacuum underneath, targeting areas where dust and dirt accumulate. Clean light fixtures and ceiling fans. Dust and wipe down light fixtures and ceiling fans. Replace any burnt-out bulbs. Wash your floors, mop hard floors and shampoo carpets and rugs for a comprehensive cleaning. Extra tips. Use natural cleaning products. Opt for natural cleaning products, equally effective as chemical cleaners but better for your health and the environment. Listen to music or podcasts. Enhance the cleaning experience by enjoying music or podcasts while you work. Take breaks. Prevent overwhelm by taking breaks and not attempting to complete the entire task in one go. Reward yourself. After completing the deep cleaning process, reward yourself with something enjoyable. In the event of time constraints, consider the bonus tip. Hiring a professional cleaning service for a thorough and efficient deep clean without the personal effort. Deep cleaning your house demands time and effort, but the ultimate cleanliness and the fresh start feeling make it entirely worthwhile. Follow these tips to simplify and enhance the deep cleaning experience. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.